How to use glTF Studio's exporter to get the most compact glTF model from Autodesk Create project. First of all, set medium detail level for the view. It will hide unnecessary geometry, making the output file smaller. Then hide elements and categories which shouldn't appear. For example, lines and point clouds break some AR experiences. Keep that in mind and turn them off. Select Grouping by Element option, as it will skip geometry duplicates referencing same mesh instances in the output glTF file. Level of detail scroll bar tells how many triangles each model has. The smaller the number, the smaller the file size. Usually 7 is sufficient enough, but to get more compact results without dramatic quality loss, you can set it to 5. Enable materials for beautiful 3D assets and disable lights if they are not supported in the final platform you are going to put glTF into. GLB option will pack textures and geometry in one neat file. Select it. And one more option to consider, vector compression. Turn it on to get 10 to 50% smaller file, but remember to make sure it is supported in your viewer.